Dr. Olumide Emmanuel shares how to unlock your wealth as a career person. Stay to the end and subscribe.
Number one, start early. Don't let anybody tell you you are young. You are not young. Nobody grows young. Nobody grows young. Everybody grows old. Every day you wake up, time is going. Look. You see, I said in the morning, people can deceive you and it can be excuse. When you start deceiving yourself, you are deluded. It's called delusion. Listen to me. You can medicate it, you can padicate it, you can costate it, you can spandex it, you can deceive you, and they can tell you, "Go, girl, you're 50, but you look 30." It's a lie. It's a lie. You know that you are not young. You know that what you can do before you can no more do. So start early. Number two. The second thing that will help you is once you start early, give it all it takes. Give it all it takes. The amazing thing is that a lot of people are employed now. When they were coming into the employment, they begged to apply. Once they have finally gotten the job, they become disloyal, they become disgruntled, they are now forming union. And you are asking yourself, you just beg for this job. Man of God, one of our ministers, some of the stories we see as pastors is very painful. One of our ministers just suddenly woke up one day. He had a job, correct salary. Just woke up one day and resigned from the job that he wanted to travel. Why do you need to resign to travel? Won't you get visa first? He resigned from a good job in a global conglomerate, a global brand, and went to embassy without even getting a letter from a global brand where he works. Hello? So they didn't give him visa. Of course, frustration sets in now. No job, no visa. Okay, let's see how we can help this guy. Since he's anointed, let's bring him into ministry and then, put him. So we put him on payroll. And everything was going on fine again. The next thing, he comes up again. God has called him to go somewhere. Say, what is wrong with this? Okay, bye-bye. We released him. And then one level of suffering after the other. And then one day he calls, "Daddy, I'm coming back home. God has told me to return. God has told me to return." Because many times people think that it is easy. Go and start. So I said, "No problem. You are his son. You have not done anything wrong. So return." So the guy returns. But I said, now that you are returned, we cannot engage you. We can't use job to do welfare. No. So you have to go and look for a job by yourself. "Oh, Papa, pray for me." So I pray for him. And then he called me one or 2 weeks later. "Sir, he's working. What's the problem?" He said, "I have 3 offers now. 3 offers. I said, "Wonderful. Pick one by the Spirit." So he picked one. Managing a major hotel. I even went to the hotel to sleep. He was, I went there and said, "Wonderful." And then 2 months later, "Papa, they have sacked me." What did you do? You that were begging for a job. He said, "We're in a meeting and then I had to tell them they have to treat the staff right." You are going to do union. In a job you just got, less than 2 months. People that have been there for 8 years did not talk. You got there, you're now forming union. If it was easy to start a business, why did your father not start one? If it was easy to start it, why did your mother or your grandfather not start one and employ you? You went to school, now you come out, you are looking for a job. Who should create the job? Now you finally get the job. Instead of it to be humble, somebody is giving you salary, putting food on your table, paying your rent, taking care of your family. Instead of it to humbly serve the person and serve that organization with commitment, like a biblical Joseph, you are forming union. Hello? You have no idea what entrepreneurship is all about. Sometimes you will not pay yourself, you will pay people. Sometimes you go and take money from other businesses to pay people, and they will still be telling you the salary is not enough. Go and start your own. So the second way for you to create wealth is once you start early. Number 2, give it all it takes. Be the best, that when they are thinking of sacking people, your name will never come to mind. Be the best that you can be. Do more than you are being paid for. When you do more than you are being paid for, you will arrive at a level where you will be paid more than what you do. Because like I said, if you start early, you are most likely young. You are most likely unmarried. You are most likely having no children. So you don't really have too much responsibility. So you can even work and volunteer. If they say weekend, I'm there. You resume early, you close late. But you see this mindset, I can't come and kill myself. Can't come and kill myself. Just the play. You will end up dying of poverty, lack, and hardship. Hello, somebody. So you have to give it all it takes. Seest thou a man diligent? You labor, you work, you volunteer, you do all that needs to be done. Whether it is in your job description or it's not in your job description, do it. That's where you rise. I was ministering in New York years ago, and question and answer session. A lady asked a question. She said, well, what do you do when you're working in an organization and they just keep using you? She used the word using. They just keep using you. You know, they tell you to do things that are outside of your job description and they don't pay you for it. And you know, you are doing the job of your boss and they are not increasing your salary. So when she was done, I said, okay. I said, listen to me and listen well. If you don't want to be used, you will be useless. Hello? So that they are even finding you useful is a miracle. Don't you pray, use me, Lord, use me, Lord. God is already using you through men. I said, every opportunity you have to serve, whether you are paid for it or not, is an opportunity to build capacity and build skill. I said, do it joyfully, because everywhere you are today is preparing you for where you are going to. Life is lived forward but understood backwards. There are many things you will never be able to comprehend now. But when you go through, you can say, thank God I did this. Thank God I did that. Everything will now fit together like bones locating themselves in the valley of dry bones. That's what I told her. She said, okay, I can see. And then she went on. Do you know what happened? Apparently, one of the reasons why they were giving her a lot of job is because someone that was supposed to be doing most of those jobs, a senior person, had health challenge. And the health situation was going beyond the expected. So they kept giving the job to different people. The person died. And they tried to replace the person. So she kept doing the job. And for almost a year, they could not get a right fit for the job. One day they were in a board meeting. And they said, why are we finding difficult? They say, well, we don't know the people we are getting. They say, but come to think of it. Even though nobody is filling that position, we are not filling any vacuum. So who has been doing the job since this person died? And so it's one of the ladies. She's been saying, so why not put her there if she's already doing it? They say she's not qualified. Say qualified, but she's doing the job. And that's how they invited her, spoke to her, and she got a promotion 3 steps above where she was supposed to be. She now went to church to give testimony. Our pastor now sent me an email and said, that member that asked questions, see what happened. So give it all it takes. Many of you are deceiving yourself. No, when I start my own, I will do it this way. I will do it that way. It's foolishness. It's better to rehearse with somebody's money. It's better to do it with somebody's time. When you make mistake, you are not the one losing money. It's better to do all the experiments now. All those ideas, practice it in somebody else's business. Don't say you want to wait until you do your own. It does not work like that. So number 1 is what? Number 2?
Thank you for watching this powerful lesson. I hope you apply it and experience real transformation in your life. Watch out for the continuation in our next video. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content like this.